Are you thinking of creating a t-shirt design to sell at a print-on-demand marketplace? And like me, your art sucks? Then don't worry, as I am going to show you a foolproof method of creating t-shirt designs that will be unique to your style and will be much better than some of the prints already available in the market. These images on your screen are just a few examples of what I was able to achieve while researching for this video. I am sure you will be able to get much better and cooler designs if you follow the steps in this video. Hey guys, welcome to the channel where we discuss everything related to money, investments and taxes. For the past few weeks, I've been playing around with these new AI tools, especially ChatGPT and Midjourney, to see if we can make money through them. In the last video, I showed you guys how simple it was to make amazing logos using Midjourney and Canva. And you can sell those logos to make additional money. Continuing on the same theme, in this video, let's check if we can make good designs using AI to put on t-shirts. By the way, we are working on t-shirt designs in this video, but most of these designs are so good that they can actually be used on other print-on-demand products as well. So let's start the process by going into our ever so reliant ChatGPT. I am starting my prompts with a very basic question. I want to know who would be the ideal target for a print-on-demand business t-shirts. Remember, ChatGPT is trained till 2021 and it will not give you the latest trends. But for the sake of this illustration, I think this will be enough. I can already see some interesting terms like pop culture, gamers, travelers, fitness enthusiasts, and college students. So then I'm asking ChatGPT to give me design prompts that include style, colors, environment, and mood. It has started giving me answers that include words. For example, the first prompt says chunky typography. Now my experience with Midjourney tells me to stay away from words. Midjourney is pathetic when it comes to handling them in the pictures, so I am better off not including any prompt that would trigger Midjourney to give an image with words. Now look, all of these prompts are pretty clear and we can use them in Midjourney to create our designs. I want to get a few more prompts from one category. This way, we will have more ideas that would handle a single theme when we try to sell it at a marketplace. So ChatGPT has decided to give me prompts limited to nature's beauty. All of these look interesting and I am happy with them. I will ask for some more prompts from the keywords that I saw above. I keep going back to this 90s nostalgia prompt, so I'll ask ChatGPT for some prompts on that. Let's get some more prompts for fitness lovers and college students before we go into Midjourney. So I am in Midjourney's Discord server. I explained in the previous video that you can set up your own server in Discord and then make individual channels for each category. Since this video is for t-shirt designs, I am making a separate channel for that. I am starting by checking my settings to see everything is okay. I am most interested in this Midjourney V4 and this option of remix mode. The buttons that are green means they are selected. When I was getting these prompts from ChatGPT, I was super excited to try 90s theme. So I am typing 90s gaming frenzy, showcasing classic 90s video game graphics and characters with a pixelated style. Color scheme, primary colors, black and white. All these options are really impressive and now I am very confident that we can get good images for our t-shirt designs. I am upscaling the first three options. The fourth one is not bad either, but it has some kind of text in the middle, so I am just ignoring it for now. I also want to check what variations Midjourney gives me if I try to get the variations for the same prompt. And I kid you not, these are actually impressive designs. The details and colors are so good, I am upscaling 1 and 2. Look at the details of this option 2. I can see this image going on our shirt design, especially on a white color shirt. This image will look really good. Moving on to the next prompt, I am working with 90s Cartoon Blast featuring iconic 90s cartoon characters in bold, bright colors with pop art style. I like all of them, but let's quickly upscale number 3 and move on to the next prompt. The colors in number 3 are so pretty. I am sure you can make many interesting combinations for this prompt. For the next prompt, it's a bit detailed. ChatGPT gave me this superhero mashup, a design that combines iconic elements from multiple superhero franchises into one cohesive image. Let's see what Midjourney would give me. Fingers crossed. Oh, wow, these are so nice. The color schemes, the logos, the combination. The way Midjourney was able to blend in the colors from each logo into this one image, these are really nice. In fact, the designs are so nice, you actually don't have to print them on t-shirts only. You can actually use them on any print of demand product and these would do well. Before we go into the next prompt, I would really appreciate if you can please like this video and drop a comment below. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos and your likes and comments will help me grow this channel. Let's move on to the next prompt. I'm asking Midjourney to give me fitness flow. Color scheme black, neon green, neon pink, no background. And mind you, I am not writing these prompts. All of these prompts are coming directly from ChatGPT. These neon and pink color images are really pretty and can definitely be used on some gym wear designs. Moving on to the next set of prompts, I am looking at these college student prompts. I'm starting with campus life, featuring iconic elements of college campus. These pictures are so vibrant. Look at the colors. I will upscale too and move on to the next prompt. Let's do college athletics, illustrating action shots of popular college sports like football and basketball in a bold graphic style. Beautiful images. Again, these images are not only for your t-shirts but can also be applied to a canvas and printed as a poster. Yes, I can see there are too many fingers on these athletes. Midjourney has not yet figured out how human hand works, but that is something you can clean up later in the Photoshop. I have added another dimension to the prompt just to see if Midjourney will be able to give me any better pictures. Just by adding t-shirt design in the prompts, I was able to get these graphics. Another prompt that I can add here is tropical paradise. The design should have a fun and adventurous feel, appealing to those who enjoy tropical destinations. Let's see what Midjourney gives us. Look how beautiful the designs are coming out of Midjourney. I am upscaling 1 and 4. Now I want to look at the Galactic Adventure, a t-shirt featuring a space-themed illustration. Midjourney is really good at providing images when we have detailed prompts. As long as you can control the output, Midjourney can be your best friend. The images for this Galactic Adventure shirt are awesome. Each of these images can be used as a t-shirt print or even can be printed on other items. I want to see what Midjourney will give me if I add synthwave to the prompt. These are some really pretty designs coming out now. The last prompt I want to look at before showing you how these can be put on print on demand stuff is Neon Dreamscape. Look at that. These designs are definitely worthy of being a part of your collection. Okay, so now we have a few images. These designs are so good that mostly all you have to do is remove the backgrounds and they are ready for print. There are two ways of removing backgrounds. You can use Canva or Photoshop. Let's use Canva first. All you need to do is go to Canva. You can click on create a design. Select custom settings. I am giving 4500 into 4500 pixels. You can choose the size that your print on demand partner wants. In the uploads, I have already uploaded everything from Midjourney. Let's take this one picture, for example. I really like this image and I want it on a t-shirt. All I need to do is resize the image to my full page. Then click on the edit at the left corner. Select background remover tool. And that is it. Canva would remove the background for you. Now you can download this as a PNG. Other option is to bring your image into Photoshop. If you have access to Photoshop, all you need to do is bring your picture into Photoshop. Then on your right hand side, you will see the layers. You right click on your layer and create a duplicate. You can name that layer as per your need. Then select this new layer and now right above your layers in the quick tools menu, you'll see remove background button. Just press that and let Photoshop do its magic. I was able to remove the backgrounds in less than a minute. We can even remove text from these images in Photoshop if we have to. Now, it depends if you want to upscale your image or not. If you're using any of these images for print on demand, I would highly recommend using an image upscale tool to improve the quality. There are various options available online. I'm using this tool because I had a few credits left from my free account. So all you need to do is upload the image and select upscale. I am upscaling by the maximum option available, 400%. This should technically improve the quality of my image when printed on any kind of a product. And look, you can clearly see how much of a difference upscaling the image makes to the quality. The pixels were all over the place in the original version, but now everything is as it should be. When you are happy with the picture, just download it. Now your images are ready for your favorite print on demand service. So I have a Printify account, so I will upload these pictures and then generate some mockups. You can see how nice this image has turned up. All in all, under 5 minutes if you take into account every step that we had to go through. As I said earlier, the other amazing thing about these images is that they can be used in different places like notebooks. These AI tools have shown that they have the potential to make money for us. If you are like me and are interested in learning new ways of making money using AI tools like Midjourney, then I have this perfect playlist for you. Check it out.